Hi guys, this is a way that I like to promote my real estate business. I do pet parades and it can be fairly inexpensive, and I'm going to break down how we all made this, okay? Let's start with the sign. It's just foam board. We printed off Eat More Chicken, glued it on, and right here is a paint stick that we did black. Easy peasy. We have a paint bucket. The only thing that we did here was just print out my logo and my contact information and taped it on. And on the other side, cow paint for Chick-fil-A. The sauces, everybody has their favorite sauce. We just purchased a iron-on transfer from Hobby Lobby. It was like $8. Got some old sheets and sewed them together and then stuffed them with some stuffing. To represent the world famous waffle fries, we just got some lattice. You can get that at Home Depot or Lowe's. My dad actually had it left over, and we just used some yellow paint and a little bit of brown paint to give it a little bit texture. Here is the lemonade, and we just got a jug from Chick-fil-A and the little crinkle paper. And for a nice touch, we printed out lemons and just put them in there. We printed them on cardstock. To represent the nuggets, we just used cotton balls. Right here. And in brown, we painted them brown. And we got a couple of things from Chick-fil-A, like some of the boxes right there and the chicken sandwich bag. To promote my real estate business, I created this and we just printed it out. Yeah, and we just glued it on this foam board. So this just took, maybe 15 minutes to create, and then glued it and put it on the poster board. All right, and now the last thing right here. The shining star, the Chick-fil-A sauce. Now this is a simple iron-on transfer. We got this dog shirt from the flea market, exit 407, and we just did an iron-on. My mother-in-law designed this. As you see, we didn't write all the ingredients, but it's just to allude that it's the Chick-fil-A sauce. So we had a wonderful time creating all this, and I hope it shows you that you can be creative and just use what you have at home. Because with the exception of my dress, which I got off Amazon, and I'm going to rewear it, everything else is what we made, and I'm really proud of that. And it just shows you, if you think about things and you use your creative insights and your creative brain, you can create something that's pretty awesome.
All right, so we are at My Burkage's Trunk or Treat, so it's your 9th annual Fall Fest, and I want to talk to you about a couple of added touches that I did to my display. So look right here, first thing right here. This is a sandwich board. See, cute little Bailey right there. And we did chick or treat. So that was easy, just took a little bit of ingenuity. And then we got this right here. We decided to give away lemonade samples because lemonade at Chick-fil-A is so good. This one right here is just a pumpkin. We painted white, and then we decoupaged the Chick-fil-A C on it, and then we actually took a red marker and went over it again to make it a little bit more dominant and for it to pop. We just made a little pyramid, and we did put rocks on this layer right here. This is what's keeping it so it's not falling over right now. The balloons right here, we got these from Hobby Lobby. Just glue them up, and then this is a balloon power. It has a pole, and then it has a little attachment, and you just put the balloons right in it. So easy peasy. A tablecloth right there. And I think that's it. But I'm extremely proud of how it turned out. I think it looks great, and we are getting great reviews from the trick-or-treaters.